Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious apple pie oats using an easy method. This recipe is perfect for a quick and satisfying breakfast that tastes like a treat. We will use common pantry staples and fresh apples to create a warm, comforting meal. Get ready to transform your morning routine with this simple and flavorful dish, ready in just a few minutes. First, let's prepare our star ingredient, the apple. Take one medium-sized apple, such as a Honeycrisp or Fuji, and peel it. Then, carefully dice it into small, consistent pieces. This ensures the apple cooks evenly and blends beautifully with the oats. If you prefer a smoother texture, grating the apple is also a fantastic option. This step is quick and sets the stage for our delicious breakfast. Now let's cook our oats. In a small saucepan, combine 1/2 cup of rolled oats with 1 cup of your preferred liquid, either water or milk. Stir in your prepared diced apples, 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and a small pinch of nutmeg. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer over medium heat, cooking for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally, until the oats are creamy and the apples are tender. Finally, it's time for the finishing touches. Remove your creamy apple pie oats from the heat and stir in 1 tablespoon of maple syrup or brown sugar to sweeten them to your liking. For an extra layer of texture and flavor, consider topping your warm oats with a sprinkle of chopped walnuts or pecans, or even a dollop of Greek yogurt. This delightful breakfast is now ready to enjoy in under 10 minutes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.